plus, plus.
Added to.
What is 6 plus 4? The rent will be £75 a week, plus gas and electricity. There will be 2 adults traveling, plus 3 children. Running, running, run, runner, running, run.
The sport of moving on your feet at a speed faster than walking.
I go running 3 times a week. Running shoes. Fail, fail, failure, fail.
To not pass a test or exam.
A lot of people fail their driving test the first time. If she doesn't work, she'll fail all her exams. How was your chemistry exam? Awful. I think I've failed.
School, school,
School, school, school, schooling.
The time that you spend at school.
Before or after school? School starts at 9 a.m. and finishes at 3:30 p.m.
A place where you can study a particular subject.
She goes to an acting school on Saturdays. Driving license, driving license.
Official permission for someone to drive a car, received after passing a driving test, or a document showing this.
I have a clean driving license.
to find, to find,
Find, find, found, found.
To discover something by chance.
I found some money in my coat pocket. The body was found by a man walking his dog. Term, term.
One of the periods of time that the school or university year is divided into.
In Britain, the spring term starts in January and ends just before Easter. We're very busy in term time.
busy, busy,
busy, busy.
If you are busy, you are working hard, or giving your attention to a particular thing.
Mom was busy in the kitchen. The kids are busy with their homework. She's busy writing out the wedding invitations.
A busy place is full of activity or people.
A busy restaurant. Their house is near a very busy road.
In a busy period, you have a lot of things to do.
I've got a busy week ahead of me. Have a rest, you've had a busy day. Care, 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 carelessness, care, careful, careless, caring, carefully, carelessly.
Used when saying goodbye to someone.
See you soon, Bob, take care.
small, small,
Small, small.
Not important or serious.
A small mistake.
honey, honey,
A sweet, sticky food that is made by bees.
We had a mug of tea and toast spread with honey.
Lake, lake,
lake, lake,
A large area of water which has land all around it.
We used to go boating on that lake. Lake Windermere.
50, 50,
50. 50.
The number 50.
40, 50, 60. They were traveling at 50 miles an hour.
Biology, biology,
Biology, biological.
The scientific study of living things.
Human biology. Marine biology. Molecular biology.
eighth, eighth,
Eighth written as a word.
He finished 8th in the race. Bob's birthday is on the 8th of June.